Imagine a train that doesn't touch the tracks, a train that seems to glide through the landscape as if physics itself has stepped aside. This is the vision behind China's CRRC 600 km/h high-speed Maglev train, a project that represents a new chapter in the story of ground transportation. Developed by CRRC, the world's largest rolling stock manufacturer, this Maglev system is designed to travel at speeds of up to 600 km/h, placing it in a unique position between traditional high-speed rail and commercial aviation. The idea of Maglev is simple in concept but revolutionary in practice. Instead of wheels rolling on steel rails, the CRRC 600 uses powerful magnetic forces to lift the train slightly above the guideway. Once levitated, there is no physical contact between the train and the track. This eliminates wheel-rail friction, which is one of the main limits on speed in conventional rail systems. With friction reduced almost to zero, the train can accelerate smoothly and maintain extremely high speeds with less energy loss, lower noise, and reduced mechanical wear. At lower speeds, typically below around 100 km/h, the train relies on small rubber tires for stability and movement. As speed increases, the magnetic levitation system gradually takes over, lifting the train into a floating state. From that moment, the journey becomes remarkably smooth. Passengers experience less vibration compared to traditional trains, and the sensation is closer to flying than riding on rails, yet without the turbulence associated with air travel. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in achieving 600 km/h. The CRRC Maglev train features a long, streamlined nose designed to reduce air resistance and manage pressure changes when entering tunnels. Every curve, surface, and joint is optimized to minimize drag. At such high speeds, air resistance becomes the dominant force acting against the train, so even small design improvements can make a significant difference in efficiency and stability. Inside the train, the focus is on comfort, safety, and technology. The cabin is designed to feel quiet and spacious, even at extreme speeds. Advanced sound insulation materials help keep interior noise low, while intelligent suspension and control systems maintain stability. Digital displays provide real-time speed and travel information, reminding passengers that they are moving faster than any conventional train in the world. Safety is a core element of the CRRC 600 project. The Maglev system uses automated control and monitoring technologies, including real-time sensors that constantly check the position, speed, and condition of the train. Communication systems allow continuous data exchange between the train and control centers, ensuring precise operation. Because there is no physical contact with the track, risks associated with wheel failure or rail deformation are greatly reduced. Emergency braking systems are designed to bring the train to a safe stop even at very high speeds. One of the most important promises of the 600 km/h Maglev is its potential to transform long-distance travel. Distances that currently take 5 or 6 hours by high-speed rail could be covered in less than 3 hours. For example, a journey similar in length to the Beijing-Shanghai corridor could be reduced dramatically, making same-day round trips more practical and changing how people think about distance. This speed range fills the gap between high-speed rail and airplanes, offering a ground-based alternative that is fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly. From an environmental perspective, the CRRC Maglev is powered by electricity, which means its carbon footprint depends largely on how that electricity is generated. Compared to airplanes, which rely on fossil fuels, Maglev trains have the potential to significantly reduce emissions on busy travel corridors. The absence of direct mechanical friction also means less energy is wasted, contributing to higher overall efficiency. Despite its impressive capabilities, the CRRC 600 Maglev also faces major challenges. The most significant is infrastructure. Maglev trains cannot run on existing railway lines. They require specially built guideway with precise tolerances and advanced control systems. Constructing these guideway involves high upfront costs and careful planning, especially in densely populated or geographically complex regions. For this reason, large-scale commercial deployment takes time and strong government support. As of now, the CRRC 600 km H Maglev has been unveiled as a full-scale prototype and tested on limited tracks. These tests focus on validating levitation stability, propulsion efficiency, braking performance, and system safety. Reaching sustained speeds close to 600 km/h requires long, dedicated test lines, which are still under development. Engineers continue to refine the technology, moving step by step toward reliable commercial operation. The significance of the CRRC 600 Maglev goes beyond speed alone. It represents China's ambition to lead the next generation of rail technology, just as it has become a global leader in conventional high-speed rail. If successfully deployed, this system could set new standards for intercity travel and inspire similar projects around the world. In the end, the CRRC 600 km/h high-speed Maglev is not just a train, it is a statement about the future of transportation. It shows what is possible when advanced engineering, bold vision, and long-term planning come together. A future where cities feel closer, journeys feel smoother, and ground travel rivals the speed of flight is no longer science fiction. With the CRRC 600 Maglev, that future is steadily coming into view.